What is going on, ladies and gents? Today we are back again with another BeamNG RP video. And today, you will not be surprised at what I saw sitting next to a rock in the desert. Yep, you guessed it right. I got a Mustang and they did not know how to act with it. So it is our job to fix that Mustang. So this is the car, and it is a 2018 Mustang GT Performance Pack. And the person that owned it looks like he just completely obliterated the whole entire front end of the car. It is our job to restore this car in its original form and maybe add our own mods to it. If y'all don't know, the last car that I built was the Hellcat Charger. Built it completely scratch almost, and then after I built it into a stock form, I added my own customization to it and took it to the crash strip and everything. We're gonna see if we maybe can do that with this car. I don't know. I might just build it, do a drive on it, and then that's just it. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. The front windshield is cracked. The engine is pushed in. That engine is dead. We gotta get a whole new engine. Everything in the engine bay is just completely shot. The whole entire front fascia destroyed. The fender, the axle is probably broke because this wheel's facing this way, no wheel's facing the other way. We gotta put the fenders on, we gotta put the hood back on, the engine back in, and we also have to put the front fascia on. So we're gonna do that right now. We got everything back on it, so now we just gotta put the engine in. Look how detailed that is. It looks just like mine. The car is back to normal. The craziest thing about it is this car almost sounds just like mine. Pretty quick. Yes, sir. It's good to go. Next video is gonna be me modding the car to my liking. So I'll see you in that one. We are back the next day. We're going back. We already got everything fixed from last time. We had to literally redo the entire front end. We're gonna mod this car to our liking. So let's go ahead and do that right now. This is the finishing product. As you can see, we added a couple of Mach 1 parts. We got the Euro style tail lights. We got the badge delete in the back. We have the stock exhaust, but the GT500 valence slicks on there as well. And we have the cowl hood. This car is pretty much done, and now we gotta take it onto the street and see how it drives. This thing hooks, bro. put that supercharger in right now. We got the supercharger in now. Now we're gonna do some pulls with the supercharger. Let's hit the road. Oh my god. Alright, here we go. Got a nice straight up head though. Might get a little bit of top speed. I think I just blew the engine. Just blew the engine. So, we're gonna have to fix that now. Alright, so hope y'all enjoyed the RP on the Mustang GT, just me rebuilding it and make it up to my liking, do a couple pulls. I also have a friend named Pro Street Lightning, he also did this, so make sure y'all check out his channel as well. But I'll see you on the next one. Peace.